Hello, welcome to my channel, Pickled Onions. So today we're going to do just a yellow tarka dal, so we're going to start with about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, all right, in this case, and 1 large onion. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. I'm going to add another 2 tablespoons of ginger and about 2 to 3 green chilies. So we're just going to let this all kind of cook and do its thing. I am going to add the salt into this so it kind of starts disintegrating a little. So 1 nice teaspoonful. So just so you can see inside the pot to see what's happening here. It's all just starting to cook together, break down. Smells amazing. Alright, so when you start to see the onions breaking down nicely, we're going to add the dal. We're going to first add some spices and then add the dry dal. Add the water, cover it up, and let it cook. So I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit on the dal. I'm going to go ahead and add a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of chili flakes, a teaspoon of, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. So this is, I'm going to add about half a cup of dry moong, a half a cup of toor daal. Actually, it's a little bit more. Let me take some out. Yeah, there you go. We're going to add the water, and we're going to let this cook. And let it cook together about 20 minutes or so, covered. You can see it's really bubbling and boiling, and smells delicious, coming together really nicely. You can see how the dal is looking, and we will do a little temper of spices, and we'll throw it right on before serving. You want it a little bit high so that really gets that popping happening. We're going to open the dal. Stir around. Yes, beautiful. It's looking beautiful. So you want some texture. You want some texture. You don't want it all completely mush. And we're going to let this heat up. Mustard oil, our black mustard seeds. We're going to take fenugreek seeds. These really help the digestion. And proteins are harder to digest, so we always add a little bit of the fenugreek seeds, and that really makes a difference. So this is asofoetida, and if you are not used to the smell, it stinks. But it's an acquired taste, and once you start to use it, it's actually really delicious. Great digestive. You do need it to pop and sizzle. Raw asofoetida smells terrible and is not even that good for you. So some curry leaves, perfect, beautiful. And then we're going to add a little bit of fennel seeds. Nice. And just for color, a little bit of red pepper. Beautiful. Once it starts to sizzle and pop, you can see that. Nice. We're just going to throw it right on top. And that just adds that extra zesty yumminess. There you go. You can see you just throw it on top and it just kind of sits there. You don't want to stir it in. We're going to throw some fresh coriander onto this as we start to eat just before serving. And it is just delicious. You can smell it. It smells divine.